Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, what's the name?
Celine?
Yes. Come on in. How's your day going?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good. So like my card isn't working right now. They like shut it down for like, I don't know. Does it even matter? You don't care. But I can give you cash.
Well, you know, it's through the app, so you don't have to do that.
I know, but like it's not gonna like go through because I don't have it. Here, I'll just give you some cash. Like, here.
Wait, you canceled the ride?
No, here. Just.
Where we're just doing cash?
Yeah,
I don't do cash rides.
No, it's fine though. Like we're friends.
Can you just order through the app?
I literally just told you that my card isn't working, but
Your card? Like your credit card?
no, my card isn't working. They canceled it because of like fake charges or something like that.
How did you even order the ride?
Well, it still lets you order it, but if it tries to like charge you, it's not gonna work. But it's fine. Like I
Oh my
literally
gosh.
have like 100.
Okay, I guess we can do it, but like.
I'll keep the change. It's fine. Like I really need to
Are
get
you
to my
sure?
destination. Yeah, it's fine. It's
Okay.
fine. Like I said, we're friends. You can trust me. It's cool.
All right. You give me $100? It's only like a $40 ride.
I know. It's a tip for taking the cash.
Oh my gosh. I mean,
Thank
yeah,
you.
like just please be careful and wear your seatbelt because if we get pulled over, like you're not my Uber rider, okay?
Yeah.
You got to tell the cops that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Don't worry. It's okay.
Hey, this isn't real.
What are you talking about?
This money.
No, that's real.
Hold on, let me pull over.
That's literally real. I just got that from the bank.
It literally says fake money. This is fake.
That doesn't. I don't see it saying fake money.
It doesn't say fake. It says
Well, that's impossible because I got it from the bank. So
it says
it's
for
fine.
motion picture purposes.
That's literally how they gave it to me. It's LA. Like all the money says.
No. This
Yeah.
is prop money.
That's not prop money. It's LA. All the
can
money
feel
says
it.
out
You can-
here. This is
This
LA.
is literally-
They make movies out here.
You
All
got to
the
get
money
out of my
says
car.
this.
You got to get out of my
Dude,
car.
no, that's real money.
Get out.
That's real money. It's real money.
We're not on the app. This is a waste of my time.
Oh my god.
Take it. Go. Get out of here.
It's literally real money. Bye. You're missing out on like.
It's
$100.
not even real money,
It's
so
literally real money.
I don't care.
You can take it at 7-Eleven.
Get out and
You're
walk.
stupid.
You can
You're
walk.
Stupid. I hope you cry.